Before we begin, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and call me, Natalie Spielman, your trusted multilingual realtor, registered trademark, and relocation expert. I offer free, private tour of new construction homes in Palm Beach Gardens and surrounding areas. As a buyer, you pay no commission, and there's absolutely no pressure, just personalized help from someone who knows this market inside and out. Let's talk about one of the most talked about floor plans at Apex at Avenir, the Calypso model by GL Homes. Located in Palm Beach Gardens, one of Florida's most desirable and fast-growing cities, Apex at Avenir is a gated luxury community that blends smart design, lifestyle, and convenience. And the Calypso model offers a perfect balance of sophistication, comfort, and value. With over 3,000 square feet of beautifully designed living space, the Calypso offers 4 spacious bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a flexible layout with a den, home office, or media space, a large open-concept living and dining area with dramatic ceiling height, high-end finishes throughout, with customizable design packages available, oversized windows, bringing in natural light from every angle. The kitchen is a true centerpiece, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, quartz or granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and a massive center island that's perfect for entertaining or casual family meals. The primary suite is a peaceful retreat with a luxurious spa-style bathroom, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet that rivals a boutique showroom. Step outside and you'll find a covered lanai and large backyard space, perfect for adding a private pool, outdoor kitchen, or fire pit, creating your personal Florida oasis. Optional upgrades allow you to truly make this home your own. So, why is the Calypso a smart buy? Avenir is one of the largest master-planned communities in South Florida, with miles of walking trails, lakes, parks, a planned town center, and future retail and dining just minutes away. Zoned for top-rated schools in Palm Beach County. Ideal for families and future resale value. Easy access to beaches, I-95, the Turnpike, PGA BLVD, and Palm Beach International Airport. Just minutes from upscale shopping, golf courses, world-class medical centers, and fine dining. Built by GL Homes, known for luxury design, quality construction, energy efficiency, and smart home features. Limited inventory means homes like the Calypso hold long-term value and don't stay on the market long. The starting price for the Calypso model is $1,174,900, with optional upgrades such as a pool, extended patio, or upgraded kitchen packages available to truly personalize your dream home. As a relocation expert, I work with buyers from all over the US and internationally, from New York, New Jersey, and California to Canada, Germany, and beyond. Whether you're moving for lifestyle, investment, tax benefits, or retirement, I'll make the process smooth, fast, and stress-free. And remember, my services are 100% free to buyers. You won't pay any commission to me. I'll take care of everything from private showings, financing connections, to contracts and closing. So, if you're ready to make a move, or just want to see what's available in Palm Beach Gardens, call me today. I'll set up a free private tour of the Calypso model and other available homes at Apex at Avenir. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's dreaming about moving to South Florida. This could be the home and the lifestyle they've been waiting for. I'm Natalie Spielman, Realtor registered trademark, relocation specialist, and your local guide to the most beautiful homes in Palm Beach County. Let's find your perfect place together.